In this video, I'm going to show you how you can expand terminal in VS Code. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so the first thing is to open our terminal, and I'll open it by clicking on view and then terminal. And here we have our terminal. However, it is too tiny. It covers only a quarter of this window panel. If I go ahead and expand my VS Code panel to full, you can see the terminal is still tiny. To expand it, just hover over to it here on the edge, and you can see the double-sided arrow. Now long press on it and move up to top like this, and here we have our terminal expanded. To lower it or to minimize it, click on it again here if you hover over it, and then scroll down like that. So that's how you can expand your terminal in VS Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.